Alright, what's up you guys? Today we're at the shop. We got Tony and Nick. What's up guys?
How you doing?
And we're talking about the tool tails. And Nick, what tool do you have for us today?
So this is a Makita wheel sander, and this we use for a process that we call cerusing of the wood. And basically what we do is we water pop this oak.
And what do you mean by water pop?
So we basically wet it down with a sponge and let it dry, and then we run this tool over the top of it a few times to really open up the grain, and then we're going to water pop it again and then go over it again with the wheel sander. It's a wire brush wheel, and what it does, it just opens up the grain and allows us to do this process. We'll stain it in a, like a dark mahogany or any kind of dark stain, and 2 coats of clear satin lacquer over the top, and then oil enamel into the grain.
Wow, it's a lot of work.
A lot of work.
So this is for what? High-end cabinets?
High-end cabinets, high-end furniture, or whatever. Definitely a very expensive process.
Cool.
So
very cool. And then so you guys how long you had this tool?
Tony, how long have we had this?
A few years.
And it's been working good for you?
Yeah, real good.
And the only issue that you guys said you had is now you're looking for a replacement wheel, and you're looking for the wire brush wheels.
Actual wire one.
Okay, but all you're finding is the
Here
nylons.
is an 80 grit, like a zinc coated nylon.
Right, but you need the wire.
Yeah, but we need the wire brush.
And that's what it originally came with?
You got it plugged in?
No, I don't. Here, let me run a plug real quick.
So it originally came with the wire?
No.
No, okay. Oh, okay, so you've got
Yeah,
that.
they come with the wheel sander, and then you have to order the wire brush separately.
Oh, gotcha.
And these sanders wheels come 60, 80, 120, 220 grit, depending on what you're going to use it for. So you can buy all different grits of wheels.
Right.
I think this one's an 80.
But what we're really looking for now is a replacement wheel with that's wire.
Right.
That's actual wire, like a.
So you've used the wire one?
Yeah,
okay.
we've had a few of them, but they, over time they wear out.
Right.
So we need it to be wire, like a wire brush like this, so we can really,
Can you use that tool manually if you really had to?
Yeah, but it would take,
long
like
time.
10 times longer.
Wow. Okay.
So.
We would, if it was a piece of furniture that was put together. We like to do our stuff, all the stock, before it gets put together.
Right.
It's a lot easier. But we'll break out the smaller wire brushes for pieces of furniture that are already put together, so we have control. But the Makita wheel sander, it's an incredible tool.
Yeah, it's got some nice weight to it,
Yes,
too.
that's what's great about it, is that you can almost let the tool do its work itself.
Right. Now, like say they came out with a cordless version of that tool. Would you be interested in something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But it has to have the torque.
Yeah, that's the problem.
The thing. That's, if it doesn't have...
This thing will drag you across the shop.
Yeah,
wow.
This thing. So...
And then this also comes with an adjustable guide. So if you lay it down,
Oh, you can have a depth,
you
kind
can
of.
have a depth.
So you know you love it. Right. So obviously with the wire brush, it's a lot more aggressive.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, big time.
Okay.
So if you feel what we just did there, in comparison, now obviously that thing is spinning and
Oh yeah, you
doing a
can
lot
feel
more
it.
work than I am.
Right.
Okay, but if I do this, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that
Ooh,
grain
yeah.
to open up. So
we really do terrorize.
right.
Nothing's gonna harm it. And then you can see how the grain is starting to open.
Yeah, and
Start
so
See how much dust I got out of the
yeah, and that's you want to fill that in is what the
grain? Eventually for the cerusing, yeah.
Right.
The tail end of the procedure.
wow. That's awesome, you guys.
Yeah. So.
All right, cool. All right, you guys, check it out. That was the Tool Tales. Nick and Tony out here in, where are we at? Lake Bluff?
Lake Bluff.
Lake Bluff. What's the name of the company?
Styles and Rails.
Styles and Rails. You guys, we're going to try to get them a lot more on the channel, give you guys shop tours. We're showing you guys a little bit now about what's going on, but we're definitely going to be hanging out doing some cool stuff.
Cabinet finishers, pay attention.
Yeah. All right, you guys. Peace out.
Thank you.
Tools.
Hey, you got moving pads back. Yes. Right?
You guys got, oh, the Oneida. How do you guys like that?
We just
The
got it.
dust deputy.
Yeah. Just got it. Sucks like a...
Yeah, it works pretty
Super.
good, man.
It
They
does
work
work
pretty
good.
good.
Yeah.
Saves, especially if you have like a bagged vacuum.
Yep.
You know?
Yeah.
Each door, every cabinet George makes is all full inlay. They all have their own jam.
Right. So, you know, and then, you know, it's all soft close and
They sit on face.
yeah. So, and that's one of the reasons why the numbers start going up as you build these.
Right. I mean, a lot of time goes into that.
Well,
I mean, here's
it's-
like,
You gotta get all your margins right.
Well,
yeah.
yeah, you think about an overlay door. If you have a 3/4 or even a 1/2 inch overlay or a 3/4
full
overlay
overlay.
or a full overlay, if you're a 1/4 inch off, it doesn't matter.
Because you can adjust the hinges.
Right.
You know,
On this,
move them.
if you're a 1/16 of an inch off, your doors don't open or close.
Yeah. Ooh.
They hit. So you have to. It's
Perfection.
It's absolute precision carpentry.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.